Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to host a meeting in your Google Meet account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Google Meet account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Google Meet app. Here I go. At the top, you can see two options, New Meeting and Join with a Code. To host the meeting, you have to tap on New Meeting. Here I go. Now here you can see different options as Get a meeting link to share, Start an instant meeting, Schedule in Google Calendar. You can choose any of the option that is suitable for you. For now, I will be choosing Get a meeting link to share. Here I go. Here you can see I have created the meeting link. Now I can send this link to anyone whom I want to invite in my meeting. In this way I can host the meeting. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.